Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to change your language in TikTok's mobile app. So let's get started. First thing, just come into the home interface of TikTok, and to the rightmost bottom you'll be having the profile icon. Select it and your profile will be getting displayed like this, and to the top you are going to have those three lines icon. Select it and click on settings and privacy. Here if you scroll down, we'll be having the language option under content and display. Click on language. Here we are having option to change the display language as well as to translate our post. First, to change the display language, click on this. So let me just select this language and click on done, and this will reload our application. So as you can see here, the language has been changed from English. If I go to settings, here you can see it's been completely changed. And in case if you also want to change the language of your post, here we are having an option, always translate post. So this will also translate the descriptions, comment, titles, video captions and text in that video. So if you want to check this, you can just enable this, and here you can also select the language to which your TikTok videos have to get translated. So you can just basically enable this also. So that's the video guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.